Dust motes danced in the faint sunlight as Clara stepped into the abandoned study. The old typewriter, black and gleaming, sat alone on the desk, a relic untouched by time. She'd heard the stories, how the machine typed on its own, how every sheet it spat out contained dire warnings no one dared read aloud. But Clara's curiosity was a blade with two edges. As she neared, the keys clattered to life, metal arms slapping the ribbon in frantic rhythm. Her heart pounded as she watched the message form, "Do not speak what you read." Her lips trembled, barely whispering the words. The room's temperature plummeted. Rietos stretched, pooling like ink around her feet. Suddenly, the typewriter hammered out a new line. "I warned you." The shadows crept up her legs, icy and suffocating, dragging her toward the desk. Her screams faded into silence. Then, the machine began typing again, its keys whispering for the next reader. When the villagers found the study, only the typewriter and a fresh page remained. "Do not speak what you read."